Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the exquisite afternoon tea in Heartopia. So you will need to go to Masimo first, and you'll need to be level 12 of the cooking hobby. And to purchase it, it costs 6,400 coins. So let's learn this recipe. To make the afternoon tea, you will need 2 cheesecakes and 2 of the Mellow black tea, which you probably already unlocked, obviously, but you will need those. And let's start cooking and see if it's a hard dish to cook. Okay, 1. I fear it's going to be 7 clicks again. I would cook in my house, but my cat's in the way of the stove, and it's pretty annoying. I actually got the bizarre drink because of it. So I'll just cook here so I don't have to go all the way back to my house. Okay, I wasn't counting, but I'm pretty sure it's 7. And this is what it looks like. Super cute. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!